Hi, everybody. Today we are going to be talking all about how to use affiliate links on Pinterest to make money while you sleep. So are you interested in using affiliate marketing on your Pinterest, or are you allowed to use affiliate links on Pinterest? I'm going to get to all of that today. And what are the best practices that you should follow to make sure that you're not breaking any laws or risk your account to sudden shutdown because you did something that goes against the interest in the terms and conditions from Pinterest. So I'll be talking all about that and 3 ways to pin them as well. So welcome back. And if you're new around here, I am Jen Vasquez. I help female creative entrepreneurs go from overwhelm to an easy, streamlined marketing strategy that includes Pinterest and repurposing content to grow their businesses with very little time. Thanks for the hearts, by the way. That's very sweet. So today we're talking about using affiliate links on Pinterest. Spoiler alert, you can use affiliate links on Pinterest, but, and this is a very big but, you'll need to be very clear on the rules so you don't go and get kicked off of Pinterest, or worse, break the FCC laws, because that is not a good thing. That's for USA folks. I want to first let you know that I will take questions at the very end. So if you have any questions that you can think about while I'm talking about this stuff, please put them in the question button down below, or you can put them in the comments, but I might have a harder time finding them there. So I will scroll and I will find them. So there's a lot to get to, but first I want to talk about the 3 ways you can pin affiliate links onto Pinterest for marketing. We will not be using the spray and pray method of throwing stuff up on Pinterest and then to see what works. We're not going to be doing that. I'm going to give you some 3 actionable tips. But if you can't make it to the end, make sure you come back and watch the end, because at the end, I will be talking about those rules I was talking about. We don't want to break laws. We don't want to break terms and conditions. And I will give you some real specific ways that you can make sure that that's the case. First, let's really quickly cover what an affiliate link is. An affiliate link is a unique hyperlink or URL and sometimes they use other kind of linking tools for referencing a person who is an affiliate for that company, product, or service. So each time a person purchases via that link, you're going to get a stipend of whatever it is. Amazon is one of the best known affiliate links, and you can go and sign up with them for free via the Amazon affiliate area. I'm going to have some links for you in a blog post I'm publishing today, but you can always send me a DM as well. So another one is reward style. And Like It to Know It, which actually, as of today, February 15th, 2022, they have officially merged, and they are now going by one single global brand name called LTK. That's probably the Like to Know. But Reward Style and Like to Know It were very big, and they merged. Also Share a Sale, which is an affiliate sort of network, if you will. And a lot of brands that you probably know are on there as well. So reminder, in a bit, I'm going to cover how you can ensure that you use the affiliate links on Pinterest properly. But right now, let's jump into affiliate marketing on Pinterest. There are 3 ways that you can use affiliate links. Remember, at the end, we're going to discuss to make sure you're doing it right. But the first one is to go to that affiliate link and share that page directly to Pinterest. The pin will put the product image from that site automatically on there, and it does its thing, and anybody that clicks on it will come to it. You can do that. It's not the most effective, but you can absolutely do that. I've been doing some testing, so in a couple months, I'll come back and let you know how that goes. The second is to create a Pinterest pin graphic that is about the product. And when pinning to Pinterest, use the affiliate link as you upload that pin graphic. But it is a much better experience for the buyer when, and they're more likely to purchase as long as you are really matching what they're wanting and providing it for them. So you want to inspire, and this is Pinterest, right? Pinterest says we want to inspire people to take something that they saw on Pinterest and use it in their everyday life. So it's even better if you share what problem they're solving with that product, right? Or how you buying that product has helped your life. That is going to go much farther on Pinterest to getting clicks and actually people purchasing than if you just put up that product pin. And FYI, a video pin is even better. So sharing a video about you using it in your everyday life will go far, far further to actually getting people to click on that affiliate link on Pinterest. The third way, and by the way, in that second way, that also includes idea pins now. And at the end, I will talk about the newest thing on the idea pins and how great that is. But the third way is to create a blog about the product or a number of products. For instance, you can say my favorite things this month blog, and you can do a blog each month about your favorite things, because people that follow you and like you are typically going to want to purchase things that you also liked because they like you. So they probably will be more trustworthy or more trusting of you. Or you can say my favorite Amazon products purchased over the last 2 months, or you can do whatever you want, a listicle, something like that. On my wedding photography blog, I will do products that I think would make great wedding party gifts. That blog goes crazy. Everyone loves that blog. And I get tiny, it's not a whole lot of money, but it's money that I'm making while I sleep, right? So of these 3 ways, the more expensive the product, you are better off writing a blog to explain why you love it and give way more information about that product. If it's a product that's well known or inexpensively priced, you can go ahead and do one of the first 2 ways. But if it's a more expensive product, I definitely recommend writing a blog post about it because it will make everything better. I've gotten affiliate money talking about my obsession with Alexa. Alexa runs my life. She gives me the news in the morning. She tells me what the weather is going to be like. Alexa off. Sorry. I love her so much. And so I have talked about her before in my personal blogs, on my business site, and people have purchased that way. So if you're passionate about something, you're definitely going to go a long way more to making the affiliate links work because you are passionate about it and you can talk about how awesome it is. So now you know how you can create affiliate links for Pinterest. Now let's chat about the not sexy part, the unfun part. I'm speaking of affiliate guidelines and FTC guidelines. FTC is in the United States, but if you're going to be trying to sell something to people in the United States, you want to follow those rules as well. So not all affiliate links are allowed on Pinterest. Period. The end. The ones that you can't use on Pinterest, you still typically can use them on your website. So having a blog with the things you love and you're linking to the blog on your website, you can still do. As a business owner, we have to be thoughtful and follow the laws, terms, and policies so that we don't harm our business. The first is the Pinterest policy. And again, I'll have all these links in my blog post that'll be published today, but you can also send me a DM if you want. So we want to make sure that we follow those guidelines so our account doesn't get shut down or we get sued because we haven't followed these rules. In short, the policy says that you are allowed to use affiliate marketing on Pinterest, but there's a bunch of restrictions. So I'm going to go over a few key restrictions today. You're not allowed to use shortened links. So if you use a bit.ly link or something like that, Pinterest does not like that because they feel if they see a bit.ly link that it could be an affiliate link masking as a shortened bit.ly link. So do not use bit.ly links or shortened links or redirectors on Pinterest. It's not good. It will harm your account in terms of the numbers and the analytics. So don't do it. So what does that mean? You need to make it clear in the full link so that people have a destination domain. No hiding the affiliate partnership. Pinterest always wants transparency and trust, so that's key for Pinterest, that people know where they're going. Also, it's super important to not create affiliate pins repetitively or in large numbers, because this will trigger Pinterest's spam policy and your account absolutely will get shut down. Everyone asks me, well, what's large volume? What's repetitive, right? I wouldn't do more than 1 or 2 affiliate links a day. I just wouldn't. I think that it could get more, but you could test the waters and do more and see what happens. I just won't take that chance with my account. Specifically, you can find the policy information at policy.pinterest.com, and it's under community guidelines. Next is the Federal Trade Commission, or FTC, and it's serious. If you want to know when someone is talking about a product they love and they're getting paid or not, it makes a difference to know if someone's getting paid to talk about a product. And so being fully transparent actually gives people a comfort level of purchasing a product that you're recommending, because you're disclosing that while I may get a tiny stipend from this affiliate link if you make a purchase, the fact is I adore this product, XYZ. So you don't really want to endorse products you don't believe in. But you do need to disclose on all social media, not just Pinterest, as well as your website, if you are sharing an affiliate link. Pinterest is the same. The FTC is recommending words like sponsored promotion, paid ads. One thing that they say you can do, and I personally do it, is hashtag AD or hashtag ad. Everybody knows what that means. It's really tiny, so it doesn't take up the space of your description. And so that's what I use. It must be in the description of the pin, so make sure it's not hidden in the middle of the text, because that looks like you're stuffing it in there. So you can put it at the beginning, you can put it at the end. I typically put mine at the end, but you can choose what to do and how to do that. So reminder, all this can change. Everything I'm talking about this day at this time can change in a heartbeat. So you want to make sure every 3 to 6 months that you're really looking at any updates with the FTC or updates to the policies and terms and conditions of Pinterest. So you make sure you're not going down the wrong road and ruining something for yourself and your business. Last, you want to make sure that when you create affiliate pins for Pinterest, that you comply with the guidelines and the regulations, as I mentioned. It's really important right now that I mentioned to you that you should keep track of all these affiliate links. In a simple spreadsheet on Google Docs works perfectly. You want to put the name of the affiliate that you signed up for, what their link is, what your login information is, and your password, and the date you signed up is super helpful, as well as the commission and the rules. You also need to check, and this is the bummer, this is why it's not sexy, and this is why it's kind of a pain, right? But you have to not just check Pinterest's policies to make sure you're okay to do it. You need to check each and every affiliate that they allow you to pin to Pinterest. There are affiliate links that you cannot pin to Pinterest according to the affiliate company, not Pinterest. So you want to go on there and make sure. If you go on something like Share a Sale and you're looking at something that you're wanting to do, they will have their terms and conditions in there, and they very blatantly say if they don't want you sharing it on Pinterest. It's not a lot of companies, but it is some companies that you may be aware of and would love to talk about, and they maybe don't allow it for whatever reason that they have. And remember too, that you can still use your blog post for some of these affiliate links if they're not allowed on Pinterest. So oftentimes an affiliate will say you cannot pin to Pinterest, but you can talk about it on your website. But you can pin your website blog to Pinterest. So you're not breaking any rules, but you're still getting that information out there and making money while you sleep. For example, Reward Style, now called LTK, on Pinterest, they do recommend using their links on Pinterest. And then lastly, I will talk about a new feature that Idea Pins has, the ability now to directly tag the Amazon product in the Idea Pin. I know, it's so exciting, so exciting. Currently, to add an affiliate link to your idea pin, you must be on Pinterest's mobile app. So if you don't have Pinterest app downloaded to your cell phone, and of course, depending on where you are in the world and what cell phone you have, it may or may not work. Okay. But it does work with iPhone because I do it. So you would go on to Pinterest, you'd click the plus sign in your mobile app to add an idea pin. You select idea pin. From there, you're going to create and design your idea pin. I recommend video. It works 10 times better than just a static graphic, even a slideshow graphic. A video works great. And select the idea pin page. So you make a couple pages or a couple videos, right? And it's very much like creating a reel on Instagram. Using the Pinterest app, very similar. Then you want to select which page of that idea pin, even if it's a video, there's separate pages. You want to pick which page it's going to appear on, that product pin. And once you've created the idea pin, you're going to tap on that page. You're going to click on product tag, which is in the right corner. It's called a sticker. In the right corner, you click on it. You're going to select product tag. And then at the top, you're going to select the affiliate link. So there's two options on the top. You're going to select, and that one is to pick from your pins. And then one is to do the affiliate link. And then you're going to add that product sticker on that page, select the link, and away you go. And then you're going to save it. So in the picking the link option, they do have something where it's toggled on that it shows that the product is affiliate or paid. And you need to leave that on so that you can follow all the guidelines. So it can sometimes be a little difficult to generate affiliate links on your phone. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It is not always perfect, just like every social media platform. But I will usually copy the link onto my cell phone and then go in and add the link. You can do whatever you need to do, but it is pretty cool. So the disclaimer says the FTC requires disclosure for paid partnerships and affiliate products, and it's linked on automatically. You want to leave that on because that's a disclaimer. You may also add an additional disclosure in text on the idea pin or in a voiceover that this is an affiliate link. But as long as you have that toggle on, you're good. And you can change the color of the text. You can change the color of that product pin tag. And if you haven't tried it yet, try it. It is not that hard. Everyone feels nervous because it's something you haven't done before, but just try it. It's not going to be that difficult. So voila! You are now in the know for affiliate links on Pinterest. And I am hopeful that you will go ahead and do all the things and start making some money. And let me go ahead and see if I have any questions. Let me look in the comments. Good morning, Kiana. You're so awesome. Hello, everyone else. I just turned on your Alexa. I'm so sorry. All right. I have no questions. So I hope everybody has a great day and follow along for more tips and send me a DM if you have any questions. I'll talk to you later. Bye.